So now you're interested in selling digital products online. So the question now is, what are the best digital products that you can sell online? Then watch this video to the end. So I'm going to show you 5 best digital products that you can sell online to start making money. And I'm not just going to tell you the 5 best. I'm also going to show you the best platforms where you can actually go ahead to sell these products. So if you're interested, watch to the end. Now, before I go straight into showing you exactly how to do it, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you have turned on the notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So that's it. Let's continue. So like I said, I'm going to show you all the things that you need and the 5 best digital products that you can sell. So the number 1 digital products that you are going to learn how to sell, or you're going to sell online to make money, is an online course, and you can sell that on platforms like Udemy. Now if you come to this platform Udemy, there are a lot of videos or courses that is going to teach you something. Now why would I tell you to go and teach other people something where you don't know some things? Then that means you need to learn a skill. Right now, learning a skill must not be only online. Now you can actually learn anything from here. So either cake baking, or how to run, or how to speak, or how to create a website, or how to do any kind of thing, or how to read. Anything can be taught on this platform Udemy. So that means you must first of all go ahead, know exactly what you're good at, and then come to this platform and make a course and set it up here. Now if you don't know how to set up a course, or it's something technical, tell me in the comment section and I'll go ahead to show you exactly how to set up a course and everything on this platform Udemy. Now why do I recommend this platform? I recommend this platform because every day people make sales here. It's barely difficult for you to come to this platform and you don't see courses that a lot of students are already taking. So this platform is actually very, very, very popular. So people are ready to learn, people want to learn, and people come here to learn. So that means you can take advantage of this platform and start making money for yourself. Now, like I said earlier on, first of all, you need to know something. You just don't come to this platform and start teaching people what you don't know. So make sure you first of all know something, right? Now it must not necessarily be only online. You can teach people fashion designing, cake baking, how to speak, how to create a website, how to read, how to anything, how to videos will do well on this platform Udemy. Now the second best digital products that you can sell is selling audiobooks. What I mean is, instead of ebooks, right? Ebooks are electronic books. Now you can actually convert those ebooks to audio, right? People want to listen to audiobooks, right? So people are interested in just wanting to read a book, but they don't want to read. Some of them don't want to read the text. They just want to be listening to the books. So that means first of all, you need to write the book, and after writing, then you go ahead to convert it to audiobooks. These products sell really fast and sell really well on this platform called Gumroad. So people are interested in buying sound. As you can see here, we have this sound, vocals, instruments, music. People are interested in wanting to get access to products like this. And you can also sell this product on Payhip, right? So Payhip, people are interested in getting audiobooks instead of ebooks, just your regular ebooks. After writing your ebooks, give it to one of these AI and then convert the ebooks to audiobook, and then you can sell on platforms like Gumroad, and you can also sell on platform like Payhip. So take that into consideration. So the third best digital products that you can sell is software. Now you might not know how to create a software, but let me show you how you can actually get amazing softwares that you can sell. Now if I come to this section, let's say let me go back, let me come to all softwares. This is from Gumroad. As you can see, this person has sold 1.9 thousand copies of this. Although this is free, right? This is free, $0. But this person have also sold 202 pieces of this 202 pieces of this software. So that means softwares are selling. Yeah, think about it. You yourself Are there not times that you need softwares to do some certain things? People are making sales by selling softwares. Now, how do you go ahead to get softwares? That is where this platform called In Digital Works come, because on this platform you can actually get softwares for free. Now, if you don't know how to set up a software, then you need to go ahead to use softwares that other developers have created, and they have given people access to sell them. So that means you need to find a very good software that people are going to be interested in. So if I come to this In Digital Works, just go to indigitalworks.com, and then you can come over here and then locate a software. So if you come to these products, right, and I go to free PLR. Now, if you are subscribed to their plan and you want to take this thing to the next level, then you're going to be getting even much better softwares. Okay, but if you come to the free PLR stuff, you're going to see that you can have access to some of their software. So this is web, Bico Pro, effortless insert, updates, eBay auction, and all these things. So you're going to see what the software is all about, and then think about how you can actually sell them. Now I'm going to show you a platform where you can actually sell those softwares the most. But in this In Digital Works, you can find amazing softwares that you can actually sell, including ebooks, right? So if you want to also sell the audiobooks that I told you the other time, you can get the ebook from here and then give it to AI to convert it to audiobook for you, and then you can sell that audiobook. I did not tell you where you can sell it, but I think I told you Gumroad and Payhip. You can also sell that audiobook at Amazon Audio. So you can actually sell that audiobook at Amazon Audio, okay, Amazon Audio Prime or something like that. I've forgotten what it's called, but let me just, yes, this is it. Okay, so if you can actually sell that audiobooks on this platform, this is Audible. Yes, Audible by Amazon. Just search for Amazon audiobooks. You can have access to this section. As you can see, people are selling $6, and this person has already sold more than this person has more than 10,000 reviews, so he has sold more than 10,000 copies. So if you have an account here, just go ahead, create your account, then you can actually as you can see, they say registry, and you can see this sell section. So you can actually go ahead to click on this sell, and they will verify you, and once you're done, you can start selling on the platform Amazon. Don't forget. So as I was saying, I was making mention of softwares. Okay, so this software, you can get softwares from this platform In Digital Works, and you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad. You can sell those softwares on this platform like Gumroad, because on this platform people are interested in buying softwares. Okay, and you can also sell it on platform like Payhip. Okay, because like this person have sold 30 pieces, this person have sold 6 pieces. These are softwares that solve a particular problem. So if you identify what the problem it solves, then you can know exactly how you can actually market it to, on this platform, and it's going to display on their market page. So that means you're going to be getting visibility, and you can go ahead to make more sales. So the fourth digital product you can sell is graphics design in general, not only graphics, in like painting and some flyers and the likes, and you can get all those ones from Canva. So if you go to canva.com, you can get all those graphic stuff, but I'm going to show you how you can go ahead to do it. So if you come over here to canva.com, then you can go ahead to be able to create beautiful designs that you can actually sell, create and sell. And where are the best place to sell all those graphics related products? The best platform to sell it is this platform called Etsy. So if you go to etsy.com, then you can go ahead to create an account, and then you can sell beautiful graphics design related things. Okay, you can also survey the platform and see exactly what's trending, what works, and then you can go ahead to draw inspiration from them, and then make your own platform or make your own digital product. So Etsy, it's a platform where you can actually sell all those graphics related stuff and then more of that stuff. Okay, so make sure you check out all of these digital products that I'm telling you that actually works, right? So make sure you check it out and see the platform I've told you that it works best, and follow the platforms. Now, the last digital products that I would recommend you sell is selling your services. What I mean is, if you if you are skilled in anything, like just like the first one, like I told you, right? So whatever thing you're skilled at, let's say website design, graphics design, or whichever one, make sure you take that knowledge and then put it out there, and you can package it and sell it on your own platform, which is exactly what I'm doing on this platform called Seller. I think I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to make a separate video how I've been able to use this platform called Seller to sell products, okay, for myself and for sell products. Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So what I did here is simple. I just packaged my own digital products based on the skills I have, and then I sell it on this platform. Don't worry, in another video I'm going to walk you through how to use this platform Seller to sell digital products and make money for yourself. So those are the softwares, or those are the products, or those are the 5 digital products that sells, and I've also showed you where exactly you can sell them. So make sure you try it out and start selling digital products for to make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, if this video was helpful, like the video, please like it, because if you don't like it, it's going to be bad. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any other video once I drop them on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure it was helpful. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed.